Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2024 Chevrolet Equinox LT. Comes equipped with a 1.5 liter turbo engine paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Other menus included such as Apple Carplay and Android Auto, panoramic sunroof, lane keep assist, as well as built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, and so much more. Come check it out. Okay, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this all-black interior with tons of extra storage on the paneling on the bottom. Right next to that will be your rear liftgate control. Will be next to your speakers. Come up top here, we'll have power locks, power mirrors, and your power windows with a chrome accent handle. And onto the seats, we're going to have these two-tone gray cloth heated bucket seats, very comfortable. Left side you'll have your vents and your lighting control. And left side of the steering wheel, you're going to have your cruise control, forward collision alert, and as well as lane keep assist and heated steering wheel. The right side is your voice recognition and odometer cluster control. Now with the odometer cluster control, pretty much access all of your vehicle information, including your trailer your fuel range, oil life, tire pressure, and as well as music, navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and there'll be other settings as well. It's going to be push to start. You're going to have your dual zone climate control with the heated seats, like I said, and your auto stop. Right above that is the infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and like I said, Wi-Fi hotspot. You can also access your front, rear, and your 360-degree camera, as well as your trailer hitch with hitch guidance and OnStar services as well. Down below, you're going to have an SD card reader as well as 2 USB ports, lots of extra storage, and as well as park assist. You're going to have the shifter, obviously, with the cup holder, and extra storage with 2 more USB ports. Passenger side's manually adjustable. It's going to have that gold stitch, but that two-tone finish. It's going to go across the dash as well. Speakers up top, and here you can access your OnStar and your SOS and your reading lamps, as well as your panoramic sunroof. You're going to have these 17-inch alloy wheels with the paint match mirror caps, the camera right below them, and as well as the paint match keyless entry door handle, black luggage rack up top, deep tint rear glass, as well as the black badging in the back here. When we open up the back, you're going to have the 60/40 rear folding seats with extra hooks, and as well as a 12-volt DC port and weather mats and storage down below. It's a very spacious rear. All right, moving on to the rear interior. Again, kind of the same style, storage on the bottom right next to the speakers. That'll come up here to the power windows and the chrome handle. Hop into the back, lots of extra legroom, storage behind the passenger seat with rear ventilation, USB ports, and on the very bottom you'll have an AC wall charger. Right in the center, cup holder and armrest, lamps and handles on the side, and again, that panoramic sunroof right above you. Alright, well thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2024 Chevrolet Equinox LT. Comes equipped with a 1.5 liter turbo engine, as well as a panoramic sunroof, forward collision alert, lane keep assist, heated bucket seats, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.